Oh, I would like to just say a final word. Oh, well, first I should tell you, there's going to be dinner. There's going to be wine. We should imbibe. I will imbibe. In 1985, I took a history of physics class with John Wheeler. And at the very beginning of the class, the very first day, he said, you think this is just history, but I'm going to give you the notes. He didn't say it. But effectively, he gave us the notes from his graduate course on interpreting quantum mechanics, and that was our freshman course. But anyway, what he did reveal was, he said, if we make any great discoveries this semester, we'll light some fireworks. And he was serious, because this guy liked fireworks. He liked to throw firecrackers around. At the end of the semester, he said, well, we didn't make any great discoveries, but let's light some fireworks anyway. And he opened up his coat, and he pulled out a Roman candle about that long, and he took a lighter and lit it and put it on a table on the stage. And of course, we all know, when the Roman candle sends out a burst, the Roman candle flew into the audience, and it hit the ground, and it started going everywhere underneath the tables. And everybody was lifting their feet up and stuff like this. And Wheeler was laughing maniacally, and there was smoke in the room. And anyway, I didn't make any promises to light any fireworks. And I don't have any fireworks.
You will be invited again to STIAS.
But my guess is, I hope that maybe a few sparks flew in the minds of some of you the last 3 days. And I think this meeting will be a success if some of those sparks live on in your head and you continue thinking about some of these issues, creating new objections, and perhaps creating new paths for progress. I'll be very pleased about that idea. Things like that. And then maybe one day, somewhere in some exotic place, we'll all get together again and have a good time again. Thank you.
Thank you, Chris.